Walking into a freezing garage at 5 in the morning feels like stepping into a meat locker. Most space heaters just are not up to the task of fighting that kind of bone-chilling cold. You click on a cheap plastic unit and you wait. You wait for 20 minutes while it glows orange. Even then, you only feel warmth if your shins are practically touching the grill. That is exactly where this Vornado heavy-duty heater changes the game. This thing is not some delicate piece of home decor meant for a cozy bedroom corner. It is a beastly rugged machine wrapped in a sturdy metal housing. It looks like it belongs on a professional job site. You can feel the difference the second you pick it up. There is a weight and a solidity to it that screams durability. It is built to survive the inevitable bumps and kicks that happen in a real working shop. Most heaters use a simple fan that lazily pushes air around. This unit is different. It employs a high-velocity blower system. It does not just leak heat into the room. It fires a concentrated stream of warm air across the floor and into the far corners of the space. This means you do not end up with that annoying situation where your head is sweating but your toes are still numb. The airflow is consistent and powerful. It creates a vortex of warmth that fills the entire garage quickly. You can actually see the movement in the air as it works. Efficiency is another huge factor here. We have all seen those electricity bills spike when we try to keep a workspace warm through January. This heater manages to convert energy into heat with incredible precision. It does not waste power struggling to get up to temperature. Instead, it hits its stride almost immediately. This leads to more predictable costs and a much faster warm-up time than those slow-moving radiant panels or cheap coils. One of the best parts about this design is the total lack of nonsense. You will not find any confusing apps or complicated programming menus here. It has solid, intuitive controls that you can operate even while wearing thick work gloves. You just turn it on, set your preference, and get back to your project. It is refreshing to find a tool that does one job perfectly without trying to be a smartphone. When you compare this to the lower-tier options found at big box stores, the gap in quality is massive. Those cheap heaters often lose their airflow power after just one season. They start rattling or the heating elements begin to fail. This heavy-duty model is designed for the long haul. It maintains its performance even after months of daily use in harsh environments. Professionals and serious DIY hobbyists choose it because it is reliable. It provides peace of mind along with the heat. You get safety features that actually work. You get a build that lasts. You get a level of comfort that makes working in the dead of winter actually enjoyable again. It is a serious tool for serious people who are tired of shivering while they work. It replaces frustration with a steady, powerful stream of heat that transforms your shop into a place where you actually want to be.